Hi guys, I am back for another dip powder mani. So of course I have on my builder gel and one coat of Holo Taco Pilly Base for easy removal. If you want your dip powder mani to last longer, skip that step. So the liquids that I'm going to be using today are from OG Dip Powder, which can be found on Etsy, and these two colors are from the Color My World Advent Calendar. I think that says Auora and Happy New Year. Two pretty colors. So guys, just hang out with me while I do this dip powder application. So guys, this was a really pretty color. It actually glowed when I end up putting gel top coat on this finger, and I stuck it in the UV lamp to cure, or my LED lamp to cure, and I pulled it out and it was kind of lit up, and I was like, oh, this is a UV changer, so how about that? But anyway, so I'm just applying this second coat to my ring finger. This will be the only color that I apply to this nail, and then I'm going to go in with the Happy New Year and apply just one coat to each nail of that. How pretty is this color? Gold, silver with the stars in there, and I had every intention of going in and applying more stars, but for whatever reason I did not do that. So after I did this first coat, I say a lot, try not to do that. You see there, I didn't even record my thumb, so I tried to do like a French tip with that, and I did not hit record, so I just dipped it in at an angle in the jar, and then I applied my S&S Natural Set Sheer to the rest of the nail. And then I'm going in and trying to applied a little bit of base to the end of where the gold starts, and I am applying stars to the rest of that French line, which you really couldn't tell. I then go in and apply S&S Natural Set Sheer on top of all nails, because when you're doing clear glitter, you want to encapsulate your glitter in clear so that it does not turn colors when you go to file and buff. When I encapsulate in clear, I always try to use either a pipette, or this is a coffee spoon that I am using just to pour the clear powder over the nail, because I don't want to get any glitter into my clear. I then tap off the excess. Instead of tapping it off in the jar, I tap it off into the lid, and then I will take what came off in the lid and dump it in the trash. after the activator dried, took about 5 minutes, I'm going in and doing my filing and buffing on camera. So this is a new file, and I am taking another file and just priming the edges to keep it from being sharp so I don't cut my skin. So look how pretty that file is, a little Christmas file from Color My World Dips on Etsy. So I'm just going in between the cuticle area and the actual dip powder, and I'm rounding that out as much as possible. If you get your application okay, you won't have much to do in this area. It looks like it's I'm going faster than I am. That's because it's sped up. It took me about 7.5 minutes total to do my complete filing and buffing. So I'm going around the cuticle area on all nails, just kind of rounding that out again, and then I'll do my sidewalls and round out the free edge of my nails, and then I'll go in with a buffing block and smooth that out. I'm just using my nail dusting brush and my regular dusting brush, an actual harder bristle brush, to remove as much of that filing dust as possible. And then I'm going in, I keep a bottle of spray bottle of water, use that for my decals and to just clean my nails from any filing and buffing dust. And I'm going in with OG dip liquids. I'm going in with activator, and with OG dip powder dip liquids, when you apply the activator, you immediately go in and apply your top coat. There's no wiping off of the activator, excess activator on the nail. So once I do that, I immediately go in and apply 2 coats of top coat, and it dries nice and shiny. after that dried down, you guys know I have to be extra, so I'm going in with my clear jelly stamper plate H48. It is a celebratory New Year's plate, so I decided to use the champagne flutes or glasses, and this color is from Maniology. Now y'all listen, I should record my face when I'm doing these voiceovers, because after I go back and look at this stuff, or I'll be like, what? Why did you do that? Like, why? Okay, so it was a good idea in my head at the time, but when I stamped it, you know, once I start doing something, I'm all in. So I go in and I decided I just wanted to do the champagne glasses. It's like, okay, we're gonna do the champagne glass. It's gonna gold. It's gonna go gold. It goes with the Happy New Year color. Great. So then I moved it over my nail and I was like, nah, you really can't see that. Let me just go in with the stamp right before that, because it's a 2-bar stamp. So I go in with the little confetti. I guess that's confetti. Yeah, that's confetti. And I'm like, okay, I'm gonna apply that to my nail. Y'all listen. Once I stamped that, okay, I was like, oh, it picked up nice. Y'all, you can't see nothing. Can't see nothing. Now, can y'all see that? I can't see that. Y'all can't see that. But it was a good idea in my head, you know, when I thought of it. I was like, oh, that'd be cute. It was cute, yeah, if you could see it. So I go in with the champagne glasses. I was like, you know, I'm all in. I don't feel like wiping it off with acetone, nothing like that. So I go in with the champagne glasses, and you know, you can kind of see that a little bit. And so I decided to go in with the champagne glasses a second time and kind of turn them at a different angle so you could see. Now, I could see it up close, but you know, to most people, naked eye, you couldn't see it. So it was kind of like a waste of my time. Not really. Kind of, sort of. But anyway, so I apply that, and you can kind of see a little bit more there. I think you can see it. And then I decided there's a Happy New Year text on that plate as well. And I applied that to my thumbnail, which you really couldn't see it. And I'll kind of show you on the video. I'll kind of zoom in on my thumb, but you really couldn't see that either. So what a waste of my doggone time. Look at there. See, you can see it. I was like, oh, that's cute. And I was like, oh, that's cute. But then when I look, you can't see that. Then plus I got a little glitter in the clear when I did the dip powder application. But anyway, so once I get that done, I go in with Daily Charms Jewelry Gel in a tube. Works great, by the way. I like it better than the pen I had. And I applied, I squeezed a little bit out. And then I applied Daily Charm No Wipe Top Coat and applied those pearl stones that I got from IGL Beauty. So I just applied those, and look at there, dropped out. I didn't even realize I had the thing open. But so I go in and apply that to my thumbnail and my ring finger and cure those two for 60 seconds. So you guys will definitely have to let me know what you think. I thought it was cute. Nice New Year's. Kind of subtle in a way. But I hope you guys have a wonderful week. I hope you had a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. So again, you want to apply your favorite cuticle oil when you finish. You guys, I appreciate you for this year. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. I hope you guys continue to hang in there with me. I really appreciate you guys. I hope you have a wonderful week, a Happy New Year, a blessed 2022, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.